Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, my English speaking journey. And today I'm going to talk about how I usually learn English. I have many methods that I use to learn language, especially learn English. The first method that I usually memorize words, but before memorizing it, I choose the words that I will usually use in my daily life. Like for example, if I want to, if I always say or if I always use the words like work, so I will just take the words and then I will make sentences with the words work. Like for example, I'm doing my work, I'm working my I'm working my, why I just cannot create sentences using the words work. Like I'm working right now, just like that. Or my father works at school, or she works at in the hospital. Or yeah, I will choose the words and then I will make sentences from the words that I will memorize it in that day. For example, if I always use play in my daily life, so I will make sentences use the words play. For example, I always play futsal in the afternoon, or I always play video game with my friends, just like that. So I will learn the words, I will memorize the words with context, so it easy to understand and also not easy to forget. And sometimes when I want to speak with the people and want to say about the words, and it will come out normally or naturally. And the second method that I use, I always listening to the English videos. I always listen to, for example, podcasts or like talking head videos. People talk something in English. I listen to kind of those videos. And for the beginning, for beginning level, I mean you can choose video with AI voice, because it's more clean and more clear and easy to understand. Yeah, but if you are in, or your level is higher, you can listen to video podcasts or talking head or interviews maybe. And don't look for the mean, you don't need to understand every words, but understand the context first. If you always listen to the videos once a day, about 15 or 30 minutes, and it will automatically, you will understand what people say in that videos. That is my experience, my own experience. Oh yeah, I just forget to mention before in my first method, when I choose words that I want to make sentence, I always pick a dictionary and then I write sentences manually. But today we have tools, we have AI to help us. Like you can use Cloud, you can use Gemini, you can use ChatGPT to write sentences that we want to memorize. And then you need to read, repeat, and repeat again. You have to read one sentence more about 10 or 20. That is my experience. And then you read it with trying to understand the meaning, slowly but consistently, and it will like stick in your mind and stay in your minds, and when you will say it out loud, if you have chance to speak it, and it will really come out automatically and naturally. So today AI helps us to learn language, so use it to improve our skills of learning language, not only English but every language that you want to learn. I think that is for today's video. What is my experience, my method to learn English? Not only 2 methods, but I have many methods to learn English, and I also use it to learn another language, because I now try to learn French, but I'm really still beginner of that learning. I think that's enough for today's video. Thank you, and see you in the next video. And don't forget to click subscribe, and I want you to again help me to correct my English, my pronunciation, my grammar, and comment in the below. Thank you. Bye. Good morning.